In this video, we will get to know about how to use Subscript method in Froala editor. So I have opened JSFiddle on my desktop, and these are the files which I have included under resources, JS and CSS file. And now I'm going to paste the custom HTML button and paste it here. And now I am binding on click event on that button and then click on run. So by doing this, you will get Subscript button. And now I'm going to tell you the functionality of this button. So in chemical formulas, the number of atom in molecule is written as a subscript. So now I'm going to write here H and then click on subscript 2 and then O. So this is the formula of water, and this is how you can use the subscript text, and this is all about the functionality of this button, and you can use this script in your project as well. So that is it for today's video, and thanks a lot for watching.